Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video I'm going to show you some brand new inserts. Well, they're new to me. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you may have seen a post I did about a week ago that I have just joined the PR team for Lucky Little Planner. So I got my first shipment of inserts in, and I wanted to share those with all of you because I do get a lot of questions about inserts for travelers' notebooks. Now, I do not like to print my own inserts. I really prefer pre-printed inserts or just a blank insert that I can use and make my own. So I'm going to share with you the inserts that I got, and we're going to take a look at them together since this is, like I said, a new to me, I guess, company. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So again, the shop is called Lucky Little Planner, and the girl who owns this shop, she's really sweet. Her name is Ashley, and she makes these beautiful, beautiful planners, and they come, like I said, already printed. So it makes it really easy for those of us who, number one, don't like to print our own inserts, and also who would rather save the paper and the ink rather than doing it ourselves. So she has quite a few layouts to choose from. The one that I probably would use the most and would get the most use out of are the weekly inserts, so that's what I got. And I got it in the A5 size, the standard size, and then this is the B6 size. Now she does have other sizes available, so I will put a link to her shop down below, and if you're interested you can go ahead and check out everything that she has. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. I'm going to grab the B6 size. Now this, she has a really nice cardstock cover, and you can actually choose what color paper you want your inserts printed on. She has different colored paper, so whatever, if you're trying to match your notebook or a particular theme or whatever, she's totally got you covered. So when we open this here, this first page says don't forget, so you've got a page for notes there. And the way this is laid out is this is a week on 2 pages. So it's got Monday through Friday. Oops, I should probably do that. Monday through Friday here, and then you've got Saturday and Sunday. You've got a notes section, a weekly tracker, and then a blank area here for whatever you want, and then you've got your to-do list down the side. Now these are undated inserts, so obviously you can use them whenever you want. You know, if you're like me and you kind of bounce around between planners, the nice thing is that these are undated, so if you don't necessarily use them every single week, you don't waste any pages. So let's take a look at the back here. So the very last page, it says next quarter, and again it's a blank page, and then you've got your cardstock cover. So these are very simple layouts. Like I said, they're, you know, not a whole lot going on, so if you like to decorate or if you like to do your own type of thing, you definitely have that option for that. Now I don't remember what the prices are for these, but again I will link everything down below. The shop is called Lucky Little Planner, and the shop owner, her name is Ashley. So if you have any questions about anything, you know, feel free to reach out to her, because she, you know, she's a busy mom, but she does do this on the side, you know, as her little side hustle, and I feel very honored and grateful to be supporting her. So that's it for now. I am going to start using these right away. I know we're still kind of in One Book July, but I do want to give these a try, and I do want to, you know, just kind of see how I do with this particular layout. I don't think, I'm trying to think if I ever had inserts with this particular layout or style. I don't think I have, so this is going to be fun for me. So stay tuned. I will keep you guys updated on how I do and my progress and all that type of thing. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, again, throw those down below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.